Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring alphabets. Kids class name. Blue color. Yellow ochre color. Red color. Green color. Brown color. Yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use blue color. The alphabets of A. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for cow. And use yellow ochre color. The alphabets of C. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. And use red color. The alphabets of E. Kids again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use brown color. A brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. Kids now draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use yellow color. Yellow color. The alphabets of K. K for kite, K for king. Kids again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And again use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids now draw O. O for orange. The alphabets of O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. O for orange. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids write a Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And here's red color. Red color. Q for queen. It's again use red color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. It's neither S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And here's green color. Green color. It's again use green color and draw T. T for teacher. The alphabets of T. T for teacher, T for tiger. It's neither U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And here's brown color. Brown color. It's again use brown color and draw V. V for vanilla. V for vanilla, V for van. Kids neither W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And here's yellow color. Yellow color. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. Kids again use yellow color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And again use yellow color. Kids neither Y. Y for yolk. The alphabets of Y. And again use red color. Red color. Y for yolk. Kids again use red color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Kids, today you draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yolk, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.